Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a candle countdown timer in MetaTrader 5. First, open your web browser. Go to the search bar at the top, type forexfactory.com and press enter. Wait for the website to fully load. Once the site is open, look at the top right corner. You will see a search icon. Click on it. In the search bar, type candle indicator for MT5 or candle timer indicator for MT5. Then press enter to search. After the results appear, click on the first result in the list. This will take you to a forum page. On that page, find the first download link available. Click on it, and the indicator file will start downloading to your computer. When the download is complete, go to your downloads folder. Locate the file you just downloaded. If it is in a zip format, right-click on it and extract the files. Now open MetaTrader 5. At the top left corner, click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Open Data Folder. A new window will appear. Inside this window, open the folder named MQL5. Then open the folder called Indicators. Now go back to the extracted indicator file and copy or drag it into the Indicators folder. After that, close MetaTrader 5 and open it again to refresh the platform. Once MetaTrader 5 restarts, go to the Navigator panel and find the Indicators section. Click on it, and you will see the candle timer indicator in the list. Drag and drop the indicator onto any chart you want. The countdown timer will now appear on your chart. Thanks for watching.